Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're not going to be doing reviews or talking about technology or anything like I normally do on the channel. If you follow the channel, you know that I occasionally will do outdoor videos. We did a review on kayaks, fishing poles, I've done some fishing videos, things like that. And what I want to talk to you today is about something that I did recently with my 9-year-old son who's about to be 10, and that is we went and played Airsoft. We did Airsoft combat, close quarter combat situations. And it's the first time I'd ever done it. He's been asking me to do it for a long time, and we finally did it. And I got to tell you, it's one of the most exciting things we've ever did. He's hooked on it. I'm hooked on it. It's just a whole lot of fun. So we went down to Ninnekah, Oklahoma, Misfit Tactical Airsoft. It's a small little, kind of like a building set up to mimic like houses and things like that. Small area. But it's a company that's owned by veterans, started by veterans. And I got to tell you, you know, I was a little bit worried taking Carter for the first time because I've heard bad stories about these places, these airsoft competitions, just like paintball, can get very, very competitive. There can get to be a lot of arguing, a lot of disagreements. And I was a little bit worried about that for the first time. But all my worries aside, almost as soon as I got there, the staff was excellent. They worked with Carter. It was his first time, and he was the only kid there. And so a lot of these people who play are former military. There were a lot of former Marines there, or Marines. People who are just really good at this, and they have a lot of experience in combat situations. But there were people there, normal people without military experience as well. And it was just a lot of fun to do. So here in a moment, I'm going to show you a 7-minute clip of Carter and some other people playing Airsoft at this facility. But I just wanted to tell you that, you know, Airsoft is something that if you've never tried it, you really should try it at some point. I mean, it's just exhilarating, gets your adrenaline flowing. Basically, Airsoft, if you don't know what it is guns, realistic looking guns, some of them very realistic feeling guns that shoot little small plastic BBs. And so a lot of people, you have to have eye protection, you have to have face protection. Other than that, I had on a t-shirt. I had a t-shirt, eye protection, and that was it, and the face protection. I got hit several times in the head. I got hit in my back. I got hit in the hands and the fingers, and it stings a little bit. It's like somebody pinching you. I wouldn't say it's anything painful, but the combat situations, there's different games you can play, and it's kind of very realistic. So if you are ever in Oklahoma, I suggest looking up Misfit Tactical Airsoft in Ninnekah, Oklahoma. Those guys were great to work with. And so check out this video of Carter and these. So I played in almost all the games except one. One of them I took a break. I got on top of the kill house with my video camera and just shot video because I wanted video of my son playing Airsoft. So it's a 7-minute clip, but I promise you it flies by. There's so much action going on. So check this out and we'll come right back. Yeah, you want that one. That's your enemy coming. One timer active! Take your timer!
It wasn't running, was it?
Somebody made a mistake. Check your timers.
Go ahead.
Check your timer. There you go, little dude. Get in it.
Oh, I didn't get you?
No, you didn't.
Alright, do you want to get hit?
No.
Alright. Go back to spawn, little dude.
Alright. Oh, I got hit anyway. Hit.
He gave you the mercy. Sorry about that.
7 minutes left on the timer.
Did either one of us hit each other? What? You did? Are you sure?
I got him going.
5 minutes left on the timer. 5
Hit.
minutes.
Hit.
Check your timer.
Oh, hit.
So guys, that's Airsoft at Misfit Tactical Airsoft in Nenagah, Oklahoma. Again, it's something if you've never done, I would encourage you to try it out. It's a lot of fun. I went and bought a Airsoft rifle for Carter at Academy for 120 bucks. Turns out the ones you buy in Walmart, Academy, Bass Pro, they're entry level. I mean, you get there and you start seeing, you know, the really, there's a huge difference in guns. Some of these guys down here had very high price. They shoot heavier BBs. They are more powerful, more accurate. So at the end of the day, what I ended up doing was in their pro shop, they had a gun that was a rental gun for about a year and they were selling it used. And I bought it for 60 bucks and it is night and day different from what you would buy in a normal store. So, but the great thing about down there, you can show up with absolutely nothing and it was $35 for the whole day to play and to rent the equipment. So you can't beat that. 35 bucks per person for the whole day. And they would do from 10 to 2, take a break and do from 6 to 10 at night. And it was fantastic. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I wanted to talk a little bit about that because it's something new that I had tried. And like I said, I'm hooked. So hey guys, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, like the video, and always leave a comment. I'll answer any questions that I can about it. It was my first time, so I'm a newbie at that. So, but I'll be happy to answer whatever questions I can. Hey guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.